Today is the 14th of April 2021. Those are my Ks. And I've just gone and put a new fuel pump into this bitch. Pardon the French. The tank is back in. Additionally, all new vapor lines. All new vapor lines. They're for fuel. There we go, fuel line. They're all new. That's original. I didn't need that. I didn't think that needed replacing. That's molded plastic, I believe. Or if it is a tube, it is very hard, but it is not breaking. So I didn't bother changing that. This is still original. These lines here are going up to the top, air escape port lines up the top of the tank. These are still fine. I didn't change them into the pump. Yeah, new gasket. Yeah, so this is good. All good. These leaks, that's just silicon spray to get everything on, so nothing to worry about there. Yeah, I'm 99.99999% sure that I've done this the correct way. The layout of all these. If you are watching this for the layout, actually, I'll let you know. So, there are two air ports coming from the top of the tank. One terminates right there inside the tank. The other terminates in the little other bump that's under the wheel. So for some reason they thought it was a good idea to do that for extra capacity, I guess. Blah blah blah, whatever. Look, GM original hose clamp. Huh. There you go. Yeah, and the other one travels through the tank, and we didn't see it, but me and my mate assume that it's ending up at the top there, so that air doesn't get caught in there. They both go to this little box here, and then from that box, it goes one from the box to the side, the other from the box through there to the other side, and then the top that comes down, connects here, and goes up to the top, up to the carbon canister. What's the word? Some emissions thing up the front. I did have to kind of like cut away a bit of the external of the pipe to get it in here, but it is being held by this pipe, so it's not going to like it's not like it's going to be ballooning up because it's refrained from this part here. Very stupid design. This is so dumb, but you know, yeah, just another reason why I'm not really. I don't know. I don't think it's a quirk. It's not a quirk. It's a bug. I like the simplicity, anyway, getting a bit deep here, but I like the simplicity of the car, but sometimes they're just being stupid. How they keep it simple, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, that's that. So new fuel pump, new vapor lines, and also if I don't make another entry in this video, I am putting a new radiator in as well. That's going in tomorrow because I go and park this thing up to do the fuel pump, and I find out that my radiator, one of the end reservoir things on the end of the radiator is ballooning up and like just gonna crack, and if I patch it, it'll probably just balloon up and crack in another spot anyway. The plastic's just gone. So I'm doing that as well while the car's up, I guess. But that's for tomorrow. I'm done tonight. I'm just gonna pack up and go to sleep and try and think of how I'm going to get this to a petrol station, because I don't have any. I've got lots of fuel cans, But I don't know what's in them, and I don't know how old it is, so I'm going to have to buy another fuel can and do that. More money. More money. Good night, money pit. Good night, piece of shit that keeps fucking breaking, that I can't stop spending money on. It's the exhaust. That's why I keep it, because it sounds sick. That's it. That's it. The only thing good on this car is the exhaust. So yeah. Good night.